Bye bye.
Today, the 8th of June 2023, the students, especially the junior, the second and the fourth semester students, they have organized a farewell program for the sixth semester. So the sixth semester initially they have 8 students, but in between of these 3 years, 2 of them left their studies. The final year this year, they have 6 of them. So we really appreciated them for their endurance, for their sacrifice for this very college, and helping the junior students to get education here in this very institution. I would like to wish them for their exams that will commence from 13th of June this month. They will be writing their exam in the Eastern College. So we are expecting 100% result in this final year of the sixth semester. All of them are very good. They are hardworking. They are regular, and they are obedient. So I wish them very best for the further studies. So I'm very much thankful to the organizers of this program, especially the second semester and fourth semester. They have really organized well by performing varieties of programs. So wish you all the best for your future ahead. Thank you.